This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing loose rust and paint, then degrease the area so filler bonds. Use 80-120 grit to open pits. You want a keyed surface, not a smooth glaze. Mix 2 parts putty with 1 part hardener and note the short work time, so be ready. Apply the first thin layer, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch, pressing to force filler into voids. This prevents voids and ensures adhesion, and once set you'll add subsequent layers for build. Once the base layer is firm but not fully rock hard, you add 1/8 inch layers to build up the profile, because thin layers cure more reliably and reduce shrinkage. After each cure, use a spreader to rough shape and blend high spots, then sand progressively. Start 80 grit for major shaping, move to 180 then 240 to smooth. Feather the edges into surrounding paint so you preserve the transition. This way you'll end up with a slight crown that makes final sanding and primer easy. You finish by sanding to 300-400 grit for a smooth surface, then wipe with a tack cloth and apply an epoxy primer to seal the filler. Primers prevent outgassing and ensure paint adhesion. Inspect closely for pinholes, use a small amount of glazing putty, sand, then reprime. If you see delamination or the filler flakes off, stop, remove back to bare metal, properly clean and re-etch, then reapply filler. That fixes adhesion problems and prevents future failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.